Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to change a hard drive to an SSD in a laptop. First you'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver and a SSD to replace the hard drive. First you take off the two top rubber feet on the laptop. Then you unscrew the two screws that are in the top and then the three screws that are in the bottom. Once you do that, you pry it up from the top part, either the left or right on the top. Like so. And then you locate the hard drive, which on this one it's near the front next to the battery. Once you identify it, then you unplug the SATA connector that's plugged into it, and you take it out. And then you take off the rubber rails, making sure that they're facing the right way that they were on the hard drive. And then you take the SSD that you have, and then you put the rubber rails on the same way that they were on the hard drive. Then you put it in the slot where the hard drive was. Once you do that, you plug in the SATA connector again gently, and you push it down into place. Once you do that, you grab your back plate, put it back on the back, starting from the front to the back, making sure that it clicks into place. Like so. And then once you do that, you put the 5 screws back into it. And once you do that, you put the 2 rubber feet back on the top. And then you're all set. That's how you change a hard drive to an SSD in a laptop.